Hello, soldier. Yo! Dreadlock Rasta. Fighting on the right.
Good evening. My name is Percival Brown. A lot of my colleagues call me Shotta Claus. The thing is, what a lot of people don't understand about Christmas, you know, there's more than one Santa Claus. There's only been 1 year when it was the traditional Santa Claus, and you know, the man couldn't even manage, right? So he's enlisted many Santa Clauses around the world, but of course, you know, the white Santa Claus gets all the praise. I'm basically in charge of delivering the presents to all the little pitney them and the sexy girl them in the Caribbean and Guyana. You know, Guyana is not part of the Caribbean, but you know, them like the little ping ping pong pong ping ping pong soca thing. So me have to go there. Christmas is almost here, so things are very busy now. I like to go out in the community and spread the the Christmas cheer to everybody, right? Especially the girl them. That is just some of the ways I like to get ready for the Christmas season. Oh, what go on, baby? Eh? No, me not call you a oh. It's just oh is what me say, you know? So what, you have a boyfriend? Yeah, me not have no Mrs. Claus. Think them never really work out. She saw me under the mistletoe with one Guyanese girl, so it don't really work out, so yeah. I have one little complaint, you know, on the local pitney them in the Caribbean. Don't leave me no milk and cookie. I don't want them something there. You can't leave me some local saltfish, eh? Some plantain, eh? Some roast breadfruit. Them kind of thing them want. Leave them local dega cookie and thing there for the fat man. Think some man a cookie monster? You know I'm cookie. Being one of the part of the Santa Claus guild is a very challenging job, right? Because you have them local dirty pitney there we have beg for something every Christmas, and them can't even do them mats. Right? So, you know, but we still have to give them something, so we just give them some socks and thing, you know, tell them for all that. Things have changed, so all the pitney them on iPad and, you know, and Beats by Dre, you know. But if you do your homework, or you get beat by your parents, get a job. Chris, you know, he's alright, Chris Kringle. Every day I tell him I'm too fat, man, I have to lose some weight, but, you know, the man can't even tell anybody say he's not the only Santa Claus, you know. The man greedy man, yeah, me not too par with it. Oh, hold on there. Oh, hello. Yes, Chris. Yes, Chris Kringle. How you doing, sir? Yeah, everything good? Yeah. You know, I'm just here getting ready for the season. Yeah, I was just doing this little interview and just telling everybody how much of a great guy you are. Yes, so jolly and thing. Yeah, man, you're good. Yeah, so okay, real talk. Yeah. Alright. So big up to Mrs. Claus for me now. Alright. Later, Chris. So thank you again for the interview. You know, I will see all of you Christmas. Everybody in the Caribbean, you know. Remember, don't leave me no blood clot cookie. Because I don't want no dirty cookie. Right? And a Merry Christmas to everybody. And a Happy New Year. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to say big up to my friend them. Yo, Rudolph, your large son. Yo, big up yourself, Rudolph. Yo, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer. Yo, Vixen. Yeah, you're large. All the elf and all the elf them.